What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. We'll be taking a look at Bitcoin again. Has been relatively quiet this weekend. Obviously, we received a huge load of bearish fundamental news again. So we'll talk about that. But we'll also talk about some positive fundamentals and kind of what I expect from here. My analysis of yesterday hasn't really changed, but there are some things that changed. Obviously, the big hack happening, and also just in general some market development. For example, it's a typical Sunday. Volume is dropping down, but the volume is still very high. I mean, especially the volume we've seen throughout the last month even has been absolutely enormous. And yeah, so see the only thing, it might be a good question to ask. The only reason and the only thing that's keeping Bitcoin up here, which might sound weird because we have dropped down significantly and we're not really up anything. But the main reason is because, well, the fundamentals in the entire crypto market have been massively bearish, right? So obviously with FTX falling, and then yesterday that got even worse when we heard about the hack, but not really big movements for Bitcoin. And the main reason for that is, well, the economic fundamentals have been massively bullish. Now that all started a little bit earlier. That started when we actually reached these levels here at around 21,000. But they have gotten better, way better than while we were dropping actually. Inflation rate went down. It actually did go down. I'm not lying if I say that. And apart from that, and together with that, the dollar index is still falling massively. As you can see, I even expect it to fall down even more towards that $105.5, $105 level. Now that's massively bullish for Bitcoin, but with that, there is some sort of a danger, and that is that at some point we are going to find support with the DXY again. So the DXY will become more bullish. And if there are still those bearish fundamentals we have, I'm not sure if we can hold these levels. For now, what I expect, I mean, right now, some important key levels we can talk about are kind of these. I'll map them out for you. Right now, we're really stuck between 17,000 and like 15,500, I would say. Then under us, I mean, you have 15,000. That's not really a strong support level. You really have 14,000 as the next one. So if the fundamentals really would get bearish and we will find support for the DXY, so it becomes more bullish, I mean, I cannot guarantee that we will hold these support levels at around 16,000 and 15,500. At this point, I still assume and I still do think we will hold them. So I think we, like you saw in the analysis earlier too, I think we'll drop down. We might even drop down to 15,500 once more, but I do think that we will hold this, and that eventually, at some point, the fundamentals in the market have to become better, right? We have to get some stability. Obviously, the fear will still be there, but it has to get better at some point, I think at least. And then once we actually break above 17,000, which I think is possible, we'll need to close above an even stronger resistance level at 17,600. But that's really something for the future. I think we can do that, especially with these economic fundamentals. But it's really key right now. Yeah, it's key to get some stability, like to FTX get out of the news, because now it has been. Like every day some new bearish fundamental has come out, and it's actually pretty good that Bitcoin is holding its levels, but it really needs to like get out of our minds for a minute for the markets to become more bullish again. So that's my take on Bitcoin this morning. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments as always, but for now, take care and bye.